What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Issa back again with another crypto video, scam edition, social media. So basically I wanted to come and create a video about scammers in the crypto space. Basically, someone sent me a message request on IG, right? It's someone that I follow on IG. Is someone that I even follow on TikTok because he makes good content. However, there's something going around where hackers are hacking your favorite YouTuber, crypto enthusiast pages and reaching out to you, basically saying that they're offering they randomly select you out of a whole bunch of people to give you crypto tips on how to trade on a daily basis. Now, I actually had the conversation between me and him. I got rid of him real quick because, like I said, I got scammed plenty of times. So I kind of know what it looks like when somebody's trying to scam you. So this is basically how the dialogue goes. I'm going to read it off for you guys and let me know if it's sketchy or not. All right. So my IG friend, his name is Bon on here. He has like 14K followers, but only 5 posts. And it on here, I don't follow him, but I know I saw a bunch of his videos. So basically back in April, he hit me up and said, hello, how is it going? So I was like, yo, what's up? Watch some of your TikTok stuff on here and, great content, man. What's good? Sorry for the late reply. I hardly use IG. So he went on to say, I'm good. I'd like to know if you have experience regarding crypto trading and how you can earn passive from it. Now, I told him that, I've been in the game for a while, since 2017. I understand the game a little bit, but what you got? What you got for me? So he went on and sent a whole paragraph basically saying, okay, a lot of my followers have been soliciting for my assistance, hence I'm selecting randomly. I will be assisting some of my followers with little or no trading experience to trade this week using my strategy. I'm currently running a private program for those with little or no trade experience to earn profitability from trading. It's a situation whereby I send you copy trade signals so you can place trades on your end and earn passively. The idea is to build a solid capital foundation for beginners by helping out with trades while they watch, learn, and at the same time build their capital. Though you get to pay me 20% from whatever profits you generate from me sending my signals to you 3 to 5 days out of the week. The main idea is basically for helping those with little or no trade experience earn passive from crypto. Now, to a new person coming into the game, that sounds great. It sounds great. You just got in. Somebody who has 14K followers hits you up on the IG request message asking you to, basically trust them with whatever money you got to invest, and put it into a platform that you don't know of, that you never researched before. And he will send you signals for you to make money. It sounds great. As a person that's not coming in, don't know the game, hey, best way to make some money. This guy knows what he's talking about. He has some videos on IG. He has a good following, but the following doesn't match how much activity he has on his page. So that's the first thing that pretty much lets me know that, it's possibly a scam. Because, sometimes scammers could tap into people's profiles that, that you're, friends with or you follow, and they could link their actual profile to, whatever, way they're trying to get to you, whatever way that may be, through IG messages or text or whatever. They could link, those profile pages and send you to it, making you think that that's the person that you're talking to when that's not really the person that you're talking to. So, all right, let's talk a little bit more about, what he sent. So he sent all of that, basically saying that, he will send signals, and, with the signals, we make money and we have to pay him a certain fee. I was like, okay, let's talk about it over a Zoom or Teams meeting. Explaining on here is one thing, but talking to someone face to face, on a face to face basis, is another story. Let me know your schedule. Looks like next week we can, have a conversation about it. And, I want to talk about the strategy, because if you're investing in anything, you want to know how to do it. Don't put your money into someone else's hand and expect them to be like, all right, I'm going to bring back the information for you. And yeah, we're going to all make money. It doesn't work that way. It never works that way. So if you're giving someone this power over your dollars, the dollars that you work hard to get, it's best believe you should know exactly how it's going to go about doing it. Not just him sending you signals and you putting money into an account or into a trading platform that you have no idea about. Then he went ahead to discuss a little bit more about his mentorship. He's like, my mentorship / signal fee is quite expensive, but it's worth it because you will get to know all the fundamentals and basics of opening your future account, and also get signals on and coins that can yield 10x of your initial investment. Okay, so he's basically saying that he pricey, and once you put your money into what he's doing, it's gonna be expensive, but you can make 10x. He sent a couple videos. If you could see it, he sent like a video of him having a conversation with somebody, and they, it shows that they invested 2,000 and made 18K. Now it's mind-boggling. That's crypto numbers. You could make that kind of money in crypto numbers. However, it doesn't come that likely if you don't know what you're doing. I mean, I'm not saying that this person, this scammer or whoever was trying to get me to put my money into something, don't know what they're doing, but I'm just looking at the red flags, right? He also sent a video of the same thing. Like, all these stuff could be programmed. Like, all this could be programmed and recorded to send someone that's a novice, for them to send over their hard-earned crypto money, to Binance. I'm guessing he's doing it on Binance futures account. And it's a real thing. Binance is a real thing. However, you just do not know this person. All that stuff could be programmed. Like, you could really get a duplicate of Binance, right? And it could just be a capture page. As soon as you put in your information, you put in your private key or whatever, or send your crypto to this, and it kind of like scans your private key and have your private key in the background. Like, you could get in some serious problems. That's how I lost 100. How much? I keep saying 100 something. $1.5 million. I invested $30,000. I got up to like over 9 months, 10 months. This is how elaborate these scams are. They will make you watch your money grow. Like, I watched my money grow from 30K to $1.2 million. I felt so good. I was going to invest in so much different businesses and stuff. And when it came to the time to pull the money out, nothing. And the person that I was dependent on was, I think she was from Taiwan, and she sent me all the glitz and glamours and all that stuff. And I was like, yo, this chick is making me make bread. I'm over here making like $2,000 a day. This, that, the other. Scam. So pay attention. They will send you every and anything to make you feel like you're putting your money into something that works, but that's not what it is. I basically chalk this up with saying, look, looks good. I still need to speak with you. If that can't happen, then please, I don't want to waste your time, King. You feel me? And he said, yeah, I give the praying hands. We went about his business. I'm not going to be the one to get scammed on the nonsense. If I can't talk to you, you're going to make me thousands of dollars, potentially millions of dollars on this platform, trading Binance futures. And you telling me I can't get a face-to-face with you if you reach out to me? You know, you reach out to me to get me to put my money in with you to take your signals, and you don't want to give me any information? Yeah, money into something that works, but that's not what it is. You know, I basically chalk this up with saying, look, looks good. I still need to speak with you. If that can't happen, then please, I don't want to waste your time, King. You feel me? And he said, yeah, I give the praying hands. We went about his business. I'm not going to be the one to get scammed on the nonsense. If I can't talk to you, you're going to make me thousands of dollars, potentially millions of dollars on this platform, trading Binance futures. And you telling me I can't get a face-to-face with you if you reach out to me? You know, you reach out to me to get me to put my money in with you to take your signals, and you don't want to give me any information? Yeah. But again, people fall for these things. They fall for these things because they're too optimistic. You're too optimistic. You're too emotional. You're going into the market thinking that, just because Pebble Coin is making this much money and everybody's riding the wave, you could go ahead and put some money in Pebbles and get some out of it. That doesn't work like that. You gotta do research. Really, you gotta do research, or you would lose all your money. Granted, it does have opportunities where you're let me put my money and you could come up. I saw it. I experienced it. It's a good feeling. However, fast money without any kind of understanding or any kind of directions with excitement will always lead to you being broke. Not doing your research on the asset, not too much hope in the market going up. Right now the market's going down. Ain't nobody investing nothing right now because people mentally doesn't understand the investing games. When there's blood in the streets, you invest, you buy, buy. But then you don't just buy because there's blood in the streets. You got to see which companies are going to have that utility in the future that's going to actually help and solve a problem. Tokens that's dealing with real estate, solving a future problem. Tokens that's dealing with energy and energy consumptions problem. Currency, the biggest scam in the world is fiat currency. Tokens that's dealing with that is, they're trying to take on a massive market, but we need a new way on money, because it's just getting to the point where we don't have control over our assets anymore. So pay attention to what's going on. I even got a email to my business email, talking about investing in crypto and stuff like that. But I don't know. I ain't looking into none of that kind of stuff. I never had any kind of connection with these people. Why would I, indulge that? Google is vast. Get your information first before you put your money out there. But don't get too much information. You're gonna lose. You might miss out on the wave. But don't rush. Understand the game first. You have to. Also you have a very, very short, participation in this crypto market. It's still early. Don't get to the point where you're losing all your money in the first quarter of you first understanding cryptocurrency. They're out there. They will send you messages and all that stuff. But it's nothing that you can't learn. You could learn it on your own. You could understand what it is. Surround yourself with people who wants to be pioneers in the market and help people, transition from fiat to digital. More digital currency, and understanding that. I'm running with a crew right now that trying to understand the game so much so to bring it into the business world. That's big. You gotta surround yourself with people that's doing this kind of stuff, or else you will always be doomed to failure. Just wanted to come through and let y'all know that look out. The scammers are out there, especially now. Everything is getting expensive. People are hungry. They're looking for the next lick. You don't be their next lick. Understand how you could make yours. Next video, we're going to talk a little bit more about some scamming stuff, but I just had to share that information with you right fast. Well, thank you for joining me again, and see you later.